Lava.
Sonny, you're ruining it.
All over it. But then a big shaking happens everywhere and
Right, mate.
it might work.
It might work.
We have a backup plan if it doesn't.
Go, Sag.
Can we? Sag,
Yes,
go.
I do.
Is there enough, Sag?
Why is it powder?
This. Sag. Oh. What's wrong?
Give it more.
It's a bit the whole
He's thinking about going. He's a bit more. Go on.
Rubbish.
Tip the whole thing.
Come on. It's coming, Sag.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Right, who wants to see the backup plan?
What can all this white stuff be on the top?
Oh, yes.
It's a bit snow.
Baking powder.
It could be like our Mount Everest.
That's amazing.
Pyroclastic explosive.
Well, not quite pyroclastic. Pyroclastic is a bit more exciting.
That's amazing.
Good start.
What's the backup?
Volcano is actually scientifically correct in that all the others are using baking soda and vinegar or Mentos and Coke or something, and their reactions, and there's no reaction. Volcano. We'd like to point that first.
Adam.
And also, I almost exclusively did this with some help from Will.
Ah, no,
Will,
I didn't do that.
What is going on?
we're trying to fill it.
Why don't you just pour it into it?
It's not very good, is it?
Yeah, good point.
Why are you using it?
No, Sag.
I think that was a good idea to fill it.
That didn't work. Pull out. So it's in it.
Why didn't you just... Can someone hold this? No.
No.
There's a bit up there, Will.
Sure, just throw it on the ground. Show it.
Building the suspense. That's what it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the
That's what we got.
This is the magma chamber filling.
Hold on. No chatting.
This is the magma
Want to make a
chamber.
little speech about this one?
I've already made a bit of a speech, sir. I've already made a bit of a speech. I've already made a bit of a speech.
Will, go on.
You know the speechness of... Speech. So you might want to move a bit, you know, just everyone come around like here. Tomato soup. So you don't, just, yeah, you don't want to get in the way of this.
Sick in a flask. Really hard.
That was.
It's that stuff. That is disgusting.
Do we act?
Adam.
I didn't buy it. I would have put it.
Sir?
Yeah, thing is, you don't have enough. No, we're not doing another. Come on, Adam. Go with it. It's fine.
One more whole thing.
3 ounces from that.
No, he can go.
Get to yourself.
No.
Powder.
Should have just done more.
So you pour it.
Off you go, Ben. Off you go.
There's a spoon there.
Yeah, it's really
Adam, throw it.
That's quite a bit.
Right, take a step back, please. I know it's not going to explode. Just so everyone can see.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Nothing's gonna happen.
That's nothing.
Oh, another pump system. Oh, that is brilliant. That's a treat, that one. Oh, wow. Oh, brilliant. That's really well done. Well, we could do another one of that at least. So let's leave that one for a moment. Who's that group? Step back. Everyone up against the wall. Even Connor, I think. Good, ready for...
No, you put the Mentos in, then close it, then check.
But it's already exploding.
It doesn't work.
Well done,
Hey, can't Daniel do the Mentos because you know that doesn't work.
Take a step back.
Go on, Jimbo.
It's gonna get loads.
Mentos.
Can I eat them into
Hey, Sam, move back.
Do you reckon I can drink some? Move, lads!
Yeah, buddy.
What's up?
I'll do.
Put more in.
You have to keep this up afterwards.
Doesn't work
Again.
Wait, you want me to do another one?
Right, let's have...
I'll get rid of this, don't worry. I'll move it, don't worry. Move. Do this one now.
I'll do it.
Don't do it. Just hold it. Right, everyone else.
We ate
Oh, Jimbo,
Okay, you can say... Right, fellas, everyone else will be in talk. Sam, you can stay here, Sonny, over there.
I'm filming it, so look, I'm filming it.
Okay. Sonny.
We can't actually
Right,
get
fellas,
it
rest
in.
of you.
Yeah.
Hey. Can you make sure you can see? No, Mark. Over here, please.
Hold it. Swim away. You see what it says?
Go away.
You said we hold it.
Oh, go away, come on!
You've missed the good one.
Go away, you tell us. So make them go away.
Matt, you missed the good one.
Yeah, guys, if you've got good lessons, there's no excuse for you not to be in a lesson.
Vinny,
No, right. Everyone take a step back. Everyone take a step, including cameramen. Sonny. Right.
Sam, get really close.
Oh,
Do it again. Oh no.
4-inch. Go for it.
Whoa, that is something else, that is.
I like your big crater there. I like the crater.
It's going back inside.
No, it might come back in a second.
Fill it up, black sand, more in.
More in. Oh, it's going to be the worst because it's got no colour.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Hey! What? The self-flanking explosion.
So we.
Good, well done, excellent.
James.
Looks like we're getting a bit of a lava flow coming out.
Best one ever.
Yeah,
Okay,
Going for your speed.
everyone take a step back. Wall again. Adam, careful, there's one behind. There's one right behind.
Mountain is in this volcano is in the Solomon Islands near the near the Adams Park by a canal. It's surrounded by lots of fish. Each one's a fish, probably fish. Look at that.
Okay, we'll take a little step back.
I do. Just put all of it in.
All in?
Yo,
Slow burner.
who's in my group? Hold that.
All of it. No,
All of it. Wait, Adam.
The whole thing.
That's a fail.
Oh, here we go. No, it's gonna go. Give it a big.
Step back.
Go on.
Stir it, man.
Use a spoon and stir it.
Put Connor's face like flake.
No, it's going.
Stir it.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Stir it more.
No.
Yeah, stir it more.
That's like a proper
Stir it more.
Leave it.
Oh, shut up, Tombo, yo.
God, that looks foul.
That is hedge, boys. That's sick, man. That is sick, blood. It's still going. Look at it.
So I'd like one at home side.
Oh, sorry, it's on for another one. Oh, snide. Well, this is going to go crazy then, in that case.
Go crazy.
Thomas, that won't work. Come on, you gotta be there's a bit out.
Right, you gotta get the lid off.
Sammy!
Take a step back. Take a step back.
Stamp on it. No. Wait, I'll get it.
Come on, take a step back. Come on, step back. Keep going. Absolutely. By the way, you're gonna get one.
It needs to be
right.
warm and taken off.
It's not even working. Get the Mentos again.
That was an absolute.
The volcano was so good as well.
Round the way.
Oh, no,
Back the way you look. Step back.
It's going to do nothing.
Right, another one. Wall again then. No, Sonny, leave it now.